used to burn so bright, your hand would find mine. Every time the world outside could freeze and fall, we had everything we needed here inside these walls. Now the room feels twice as wide. I'm watching flame turn into smoke, still holding to the warmth we made before the fire started fading slow. Embers and ashes, that's what we've become. Once we were blazing, wild and young, reaching through the cooling air for heat I know is barely there. Embers and ashes, love coming undone. I remember how you pulled me close when winter came down hard. Your touch could chase away the cold. Now I'm here alone, just watching sparks. Embers and ashes, that's what we've become. Once we were blazing, wild and young, I'm reaching through the cooling air for heat I know is barely there. Embers and ashes, love coming undone. Can we stoke this back to life, or do I let you go tonight? I give anything to feel the way we burned when this was real. Embers and ashes, that's what we become. Once we were blazing, wild and young, I'm reaching through the cooling air for heat I know is barely there. Embers and ashes, love coming undone. Ooh. Embers and ashes, ooh, that's all that's left of us. Ooh. Embers and ashes, ooh.